The best age to start investing? The truth is, the earlier the better. Think about it. Time is the most valuable asset when it comes to building wealth. Let's look at two people. Sarah starts investing at 25 and James starts at 35. Sarah puts away just $200 a month into an index fund with an average annual return of 7%. By the time she's 65, she'll have over $500,000. James, who starts 10 years later with the same contributions, he'll have about $250,000. That's the power of compound interest. You earn returns on both your initial investment and the interest you've already earned. According to a study from Fidelity, 67% of millennials regret not starting their investments sooner. But it's not too late, and you don't need a huge sum to begin. Even starting with a small amount, like $50 or $100 per month, can make a big difference over time. Here's a quick stat. If you invest just $100 a month starting at age 25 at a 7% annual return by 65, you'll have over $250,000. If you wait until 35 to start, that number drops to $120,000. So, what's stopping you? Whether it's fear, lack of knowledge, or feeling like you don't have enough money, it's important to break through that mindset. The best thing you could do for your future self is to take the first step. Start small, stay consistent, and let time work its magic.